Facial steam. To get the clogged pores to release the trapped dust and bacteria, you must try to facial steam. Recipe number 1. Take a bowl and add a teaspoon of brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Add a teaspoon of honey. Please subscribe to my channel. Mix all the ingredients very well. Please press the like button. How to use it. Apply on your nose and chin area and massage for a few minutes in circular motion with gentle hands. You can use this remedy 2 times a week. Recipe 2. Take a bowl and add half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of water. Mix it and make a thick paste. Check the consistency. How to use it. Apply it on your blackheads and whiteheads area and massage in circular motion with gentle hands for 1 to 2 minutes. You can use this remedy 2 times a week. If you have sensitive skin, avoid using baking soda. Recipe 3. Add a teaspoon of gram flour bison. Add a teaspoon of multani mitti. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Add half a teaspoon of toothpaste. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients very well. Add a teaspoon of water and make paste. Mix. Mix it very well and make it lump-free. Check the consistency. How to use it. Apply it on your nose and chin area. Massage it with circular motion for a few minutes with gentle hands. You can use this remedy 2 times a week. If you like the video, please like, comments, and share with your family and friends.